Let's take a look at getting started with Google Slides. First, from the web-based version of Google Drive, select the New button. Go down to Google Slides, and the options are to create a blank presentation or from a template. By selecting Blank Presentation, it opens a new blank presentation in a new tab. Selecting from a template opens the template gallery, and from here you can select a template to use. A little side note, the possibilities are endless with Google Slides. It goes way beyond a presentation tool. Just look at some of these examples in the template gallery. It's so versatile. Okay, getting back on track now. The third option is to open a PowerPoint. So back in Google Drive, double-click to open an existing PowerPoint presentation, which does open in Google Slides. You can edit as is, or you can select File, and then Save as Google Slides to convert it to Google Slides. Pick one of these three options, a blank presentation from a template or an existing PowerPoint, to get started and follow along. Alright, so along the top left is the file information. Below this is the menu bar, and below this is the toolbar, which acts as sort of shortcuts to the options you will find in the menu bar. To the top right is Collaboration, which is also known as Share. And down the left with these little mini slide tiles, this is called the film strip. And then front and center is the individual slide. Just below the single slide is presentation notes or speaker notes, which can be adjusted as needed. So the first thing to do when starting with a blank presentation is to pick a theme. Themes in Google Slides are pre-designed sets of colors, fonts, and layouts that provide a consistent and professional look to your presentation. Think of layouts as the types of slides or their general design. So to do this, select Theme from the toolbar, select from the options provided, or at the bottom select Import Theme. You can either use Upload to select a PowerPoint presentation containing a desired theme, or you can select the source of the theme from a presentation in your Google Drive with these other tabs, and then click Insert. A new window will display the available themes within that presentation. Select the specific theme that you want to import, and then click Import Theme, and the chosen theme will be applied to your entire presentation, replacing any previously applied theme. Now let's look at the film strip. There is more than one way to add, duplicate, move, and delete slides. First thing on the toolbar is New Slide, which inserts a slide from the same layout as the slide you currently have selected. To the right is New Slide with Layout, allowing you to pick a specific layout as determined by the theme. The alternative here is to use the keyboard shortcut Control-M to add a new blank slide with the same layout as the slide that is already selected. Another option is to use Control-D on Windows or Command-D on a Mac to duplicate a slide, but note that this includes the layout plus any content that is already on the slide. To move a slide, you can click, hold, drag, and drop the slide. To delete a slide, use the Delete key on your keyboard. Another way to do these options is to right-click on a slide, and you'll see Delete, New Slide, Duplicate, and Move. There are also additional options here such as Skip Slide, Apply a different layout, and so much more. And that's not all. You also have the slide menu with these same options, which includes more choices for moving slides, as well as a button to edit theme. One final tip about the film strip, you can select more than one slide by using Shift on Windows or Command on a Mac when selecting slides. To select all slides, use the keyboard shortcut Control-A on Windows or Command-A on a Mac. The other option is to use the Edit menu and then click Select All.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.